In the business report, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says Jamaica earned billions of dollars in taxes from the sector in 2023 from 5 different sources. Speaking in Parliament on Tuesday, the minister said the $20 contribution per visitor raked in $59.2 million or more than 9 billion Jamaican dollars last year.
The TEF fees, the $20 per head, provided $59.2 million last year, or 9.2 billion Jamaican dollars.
Jamaican-based Supreme Ventures plans to expand operations in Ghana, West Africa, through its subsidiary company. While speaking at the Maybury investor briefing on Monday, Supreme Ventures Executive Chairman Gary Peart said the company's partner in the African country, Game Park Limited, was granted a new 10-year license last week. Describing that development as huge, Peart said it means their partner now can put down much deeper lottery routes into the market space. That, he said, will drive material revenues, certainly in the back end of this year. Peart revealed that there are now plans to build out the land-based distribution channels in Ghana, stressing that, quote, "So far, the greatest value that we've gotten from Ghana is how we can operate. So we have been extracting certain efficiencies that we can get Ghana back into our model here in Jamaica," end quote. Now we have the report on market movements with Denise Williams.
During trading on May 2, 2024, the following companies valued at $500 million or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 6,748,312 units, amounting to 61.27% of the market volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 960,224 units, amounting to 8.72% of the total market volume. Carreras Limited with 902,879 units, amounted to 8.2% of the market volume. During trading on May 2, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in asset value. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 1,645,251 units, amounting to 28.39% of the market volume. Fosrich Company Limited with 1,084,637 units, amounting to 18.72% of the market volume. Spur Tree Spices Jamaica Limited with 810,468 units, amounting to 13.99% of the market volume. Over at the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 2, 2024, registered a volume of 257,974 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,856,470 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 92 cents. The West Indian Tobacco Company Limited was the volume leader with 53,636 shares, changing hands for a value of 535,366 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 26 cents, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 50,181 shares, traded for 213,478 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 49 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 2, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $45.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $47.4 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for 157.72 and bought the US dollar for 155.67. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.15, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.24 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $115.26 and bought for $114.02. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.18, selling it for $197.79 and buying it for $189.61. For our credit report tip of the day, your financial responsibility and money management are critical. Beyond credit-related factors, lenders may also consider the borrower's overall financial management habits, such as budgeting, savings, and avoiding excess debt. Responsible financial behavior demonstrates reliability and reduces the risk of default. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.